Hello guys, this is CryptoGod SSJ. You may have seen me on Twitter. So for your help, now I am launching a new program called Trading Secrets, totally free on YouTube. If you want to watch, you can see the videos. 1 hour chart and you can see everything is. It tells me wherever to, like it will tell me take long, take short. But you can see it gives me good calls, like long one. Okay. So you can use this one. I had them. Volume of course should always be on to see whether it was a clear breakout or just fake pump or something like this. So many price manipulating things nowadays. So the next thing I want to show you is here it will take a short entry and you can see boom, you can see 79% profit for me, as I said 10x leverage. And if it's like normally moving and it shows green line, then it means green dot, sorry, then it means pump. If the white line is beyond it and one of the lines like maybe red or green is above it, then it's like bullish trend. If it reaches up to 50, means it's time that it can be like reversed, trend can be reversed soon. The program will be launching on 25th of December on the day of Christmas. So enjoy it guys. Show your support.